My name is Sambhavi Raj. I am a student of class 9A. Today I will going to talk about coronavirus. I hope you will enjoy this speech. Coronavirus disease is an infectious disease that caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome. This disease was first identified in December 2020 in Wuhan, the capital of China, Hubei province, and spread globally. In 30 December 2020, WHO declares that coronavirus is a hindrance. Common symptoms include fever, cough, and shortness of breath. Some other symptoms include maybe muscle pain, diarrhea, and loss of smell. The time from exposure to onset of symptoms is typically around 5 days but may also be 2 to 14 days. As of 19th April 2020, more than 2.32 million cases has been reported around 185 countries and territories, resulting in more than 1,60,000 deaths. More than 1,95,000 people have been recovered. The virus is primarily spread between people during contact via smelling. Recommended measures to prevent from disease including hand washing, maintaining social distancing from others, from those with symptoms. China launched a mobile app on 2020 in February to deal with this disease. Government of India is prepared to face the challenge. PM Modi has announced a complete lockdown in India on for 21 days from Tuesday midnight, asserting that social distancing is only way to out from the virus. In his second address to the nation on the pandemic ranging across much of the world in the number of infections rising in India, Modi made a farewell appeal to the Indian man not to cross the Lakshman Rekha from their homes for 21 days. On 14th April, he announced the lockdown will continue for 3rd May with active support of people of India. We have been able to contain the spread of the virus. In our country, in India, 15,712 including cases, 12,974 active cases, 2,230 discharged and 507 deaths. Thank you for watching.